owner of a grocery store and we are having a new offers on our store. So I want to send this new offer WhatsApp message to all my customers whose data I have in this Google Sheet. But now manually sending WhatsApp message will take a lot of time and creating a group is not a professional method. So that's where I found an amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution using which I can send the same WhatsApp message to all these contacts in just one click. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to learn how you can automate your WhatsApp broadcast messages using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now here to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get a heavy discount. Make sure you're using my coupon code because I can assure you that this code is going to provide you maximum discount from any other code that is available. Alright, and for your reference, I've attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here on the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can automate WhatsApp broadcast inside Pabbly Chatflow. For that, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before moving towards that section, let me tell you that I have created a message template using which I am going to send this automated WhatsApp message. So I have created this template inside Pabbly Chatflow account only, but if you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so firstly, let me show you the template that I have created under this template section. Here you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates, and here let me show you the template that I have with the name grocery deals. So this is the message that I have drafted and here I have attached an image in my message as well. Also you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send this automated WhatsApp message. Now if you want to learn about this template creation process in detail, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, once you have approved template, move towards broadcast section and under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on this add broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. From here, select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, give a name as anything you like. I'm going to give it as new grocery deals. Moving forward, here it is asking us to select the contact list. So I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this broadcast message. And as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send this broadcast message to all these contacts whose data I have in this Google Sheet. So in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And for that, let me access this contact section available over here. Now under this contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of the existing list, and to create a new one, click on this add contact button. And if you want to add a single contact, add details over here, and to add in bulk, select add bulk contacts. Here you need to upload a CSV file for the data, and as you know that I have data in a Google Sheets format. So I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this add contact button, and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have over here. You can select multiple lists as well. I have selected a single one. Then comes the refine audience option. Using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude the contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. Also, you can exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. Then comes the message type. You can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So to send a regular message, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. So now I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So let me search for my template. This is my template, and here it is asking for a media file. So I'm going to upload it from my library. So this is my image, and with this we have successfully completed our template. You can make this message personalized by adding variables. For now I've used the generic one. Then click on this done button and you can see the template has been selected over here. Then it is asking us to test our broadcast message. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number first. So for that, I'm going to add my username and my own number over here. Then we are going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see a new message has been received over here just right now with the same message template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then it is asking us to schedule our broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting the date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Click on the start broadcast button and you can see we have successfully scheduled a new broadcast over here. And now once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend your WhatsApp broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting the resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automate your WhatsApp broadcast messages. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link, and if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.